Every world-class football begins with precision engineering. Today, we step inside the factory where the new Adidas Trionda Football comes to life. The journey starts in the design lab, where engineers create the perfect balance of speed, control, and flight accuracy. Only premium synthetic materials are selected to ensure durability, softness, and outstanding performance.
Computer-controlled laser cutters produce every panel with microscopic precision.
Each panel is carefully inspected to guarantee flawless dimensions before assembly.
Advanced printing technology applies vibrant graphics that remain sharp throughout countless matches.
Instead of stitching, thermal bonding fuses every panel into a seamless, waterproof shell. Inside, a precision air bladder provides consistent pressure and exceptional responsiveness. High-pressure molding ensures every football achieves perfect roundness and balance. Each ball is inflated to exact specifications for professional-level performance. Automated kick tests simulate thousands of powerful strikes to verify durability. Engineers measure rebound consistency to guarantee predictable play on every surface. Water resistance tests ensure the ball maintains its weight and performance even in wet conditions. Every football must meet strict standards for weight, circumference, and roundness. After passing every quality test, each football receives its final inspection.
The completed footballs are carefully packaged and prepared for worldwide distribution.
From the factory floor to stadiums around the globe, every ball carries the same commitment to excellence.
Soon, this football will become part of unforgettable matches and legendary moments.
Built through innovation, tested with precision, and trusted by players at every level. The Adidas Trionda Football, where advanced technology meets the beautiful game.